But I think one of the challenges that we do have is that despite the very, what would I say, flashy veneer, if you like, of football, the high-paid football players and so on, the actual industry itself is not flush with cash. We are a well-funded governing body, but compared to any other consumer-facing organization, we're really not that well-funded. So I think one of our challenges is trying to provide that real high-quality level of experience that our fans expect when they go into a venue, but doing it without detracting from our core mission, which is to improve essentially the health and fitness of the nation through providing sporting facilities across the whole country. So I think the first barrier for us is cost effectiveness. How can we learn from what is happening around other industries? How can we adopt and adapt that without having to be the source of innovation and invention? And that's probably one of the things that I see as a core strength for a telco to help us with, because of course you're across every industry, you're across every sector, you're across some sectors that probably have the ability to fund this innovation more effectively than we do. And I think that's certainly one of the key advantages for us is kind of tagging on in a sense to some of those coattails.